Good morning, champs. We solved the differential equation y prime equals y squared minus 1. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. But the right side only depends on y, so we check if it is separable. We write it as dy over dx equals y squared minus 1. Now, separate variables. We get dy over y squared minus 1 equals dx. Now factor the denominator. Y squared minus 1 equals y minus 1 times y plus 1. So we need to integrate 1 over y minus 1 times y plus 1. This requires partial fractions. We write 1 over y minus 1 times y plus 1 as a over y minus 1 plus b over y plus 1. Now multiply everything by y minus 1 times y plus 1. We get 1 equals a times y plus 1 plus b times y minus 1. Choose y equals 1. Then 1 equals 2a. So a equals 1 half. Choose y equals negative 1. Then 1 equals negative 2b. So b equals negative 1 half. So the fraction becomes 1 half over y minus 1 minus 1 half over y plus 1. Now integrate. The integral becomes 1 half natural log absolute value y minus 1 minus 1 half natural log absolute value y plus 1 equals x plus c. Combine the logarithms. We get 1 half natural log absolute value of y minus 1 over y plus 1 equals x plus c. Multiply by 2. Natural log absolute value of y minus 1 over y plus 1 equals 2x plus c. Now exponentiate. The absolute value can be absorbed into the constant. So we get y minus 1 over y plus 1 equals c e to the power 2x. Now solve for y. Y equals 1 plus c e to the power 2x divided by 1 minus c e to the power 2x. And that is the final answer. I recommend you to check my playlists on multivariate calculus.